Now I'm going to teach you the very basic stroke, horizontal stroke. Now I'm writing the number 1. From left to the right, 1. Again, 1. 1. This is the very basic, just one stroke, but it's really meaningful. 1. Left to the right. Continue, we learn number 2. Number 2 have 2 strokes. The number I'm writing is 2. From top to the bottom, 2. First write the bottom one, horizontal stroke, then the bottom, 2. The words I'm writing is 2. Top to the bottom. Continue with the number 3. From top to the bottom has 3 strokes, which means you are going to write 3 horizontal strokes from the top to the bottom. 3. 三 1, 2, 3, 3 strokes. Words 3. 三 Okay, try it again. Top, 1 stroke, second stroke, and the third strokes. 3. 三 1, 2, 3. 三